Educators, it's time for a new and different way to prepare students for careers in the skilled trades. Introducing SkillMill by Interplay Learning, the leading online, on-demand training platform for trades education. Take teaching to the next level with a growing catalog of expert-led video and virtual reality simulation courses in HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and more. SkillMill saves you time and lets you focus your efforts where students need it most, their employable skills. Teach students the way you learned, hands-on but adapted for the 21st century in the virtual world. It has everything you expect, like the ability to assign courses, monitor progress, create custom learning paths, and get real-time feedback from quizzes and assignments. Give students prep work and practice time outside of the lab with content designed for learning in person or remote on devices they already own. Deliver a fun, competitive, and familiar game-like learning environment for increased engagement with today's students. Maintain a safe, structured environment that helps students gain confidence via simulation before working on real equipment. With SkillMill's flexible, convenient, and engaging online and virtual reality simulations, you can empower your students to find better careers and better lives.